welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Tanisha Latrice, and you already saying nothing else, you already know what's about to come at you. This video is brought to you by the lovely Luv Me Hair. They sent your girl over this gorgeous beauty right here, and honey, yes, you need her in your life. So if you're interested in seeing how she comes right out of the box, how I'm able to lay this beauty so easy, stay tuned. I'll be back with my final thoughts, details, and a huge discount code. What's up, y'all? I'm so excited to get into this unit, y'all. Y'all see this gorgeousness right here? Okay, look at it, look at it, look at it. All right, let's go ahead and get into it, y'all. Y'all see I got the pre-cut one, and it has a double, not one but two anti-slip grip, honey. Luv Me is making sure that this wig does not slide off your head at all. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this beauty on.
Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home, if you let me put it.
Right, y'all. Y'all, do y'all see the hairline? Wow. Okay, let's fix this.
Solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise.
I always have a hard time with 13 by whatever wigs because my head is big, but then it seems like it's not big enough for the lace. I don't know if I explained that right. The lace, it always seems like one side is always longer than the other side, or my ear is higher than the other side. I don't know, but one side be perfect and the other side be too long. So I don't know, but we're gonna get this together. But y'all see this? It look like my hair. It look like it's coming out of my scalp. This lace is amazing. It does come ear to ear. Let's see, I'm trying to situate it on my head where I don't have to cut this lace. So first thing first, we need to get this hair out of the way. It's not a lot of flyaways, but we still need to get the hair out of the way so we can get this lace looking like it's coming out of my scalp. For real, for real. I'm going to be using my wax stick that I always use from Amazon. It goes around my ear very nicely. Once you get it situated on your head right, it fits very comfortable around the ear. What I'm going to do, because it's not going to lay down, I'm just going to glue just the part by my ears. I'm not going the whole thing around because it's not needed. So I'm going to be using my Wonder Bun spray. This is my first time using this. So I'm going to just spray it right here, just around the ear. My sideburns, the hair on the side is longer than this, so I'm trying to get it on there. I'm trying to finesse it, y'all. My head is big, so I'm trying to make this work. So I'm gonna have to cut this because the cap is not big enough for my head. Unfortunately, it's not. And in order for me to have this look right, I'm gonna have to cut just a little bit around the ear area. I'm gonna cut right here.
Baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie.
And bam. This cap, like, it fits, but it's not big enough for the sideburns, to cover my sideburns. Now, look at it. Look at it. Okay, look at it. Now it looks perfect. Okay, now we're gonna do this side, and like I said, it's always one side that doesn't do right. One side be perfect and the other side just wants to give me problems. I don't know why. Are y'all the same way? Do y'all have one side that just does you right and then the other side wants to give you problems? I don't understand it, but that's just how it is. But we're gonna keep it moving. You may not have to do that to your wig because your head is probably not like mine, so you probably won't have this issue. But for me and my head, I need to do a little finessing, okay? So what we're gonna do is I'm going to mousse it down. So what we're gonna do next, we're gonna get some Nairobi setting lotion, and we're just going to put it around the hairline. Don't want to spray it down. but we just gonna put some setting lotion around the hairline to make it look more seamlessly into the skin, so we can melt it and it can look more seamless. And we just gonna do this side as well. So next we're going to get my wrap, and we're just going to wrap it around the hairline. Then we're going to get into this hair.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby.
All right, I pulled this down on the side because I want this to make sure that it lays. Let's get into this hair. This hair doesn't need a lot done to it. So what we're gonna do is just flat iron it, get a little bump up, and then we're gonna be done.
Got what you need, baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me.
Look at this, y'all. This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Like, this yaki texture is amazing. Honey, look at it. Making me feel like I'm a Leah right now. It's giving, y'all. It's giving. Okay, it's giving me what I needed to give me right now, and I'm loving it. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and take this headband off and see how things are looking.
Yeah, I made it where I'm at on my own.
Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at this, honey. This looks like it's coming right out of my scalp. It looks absolutely amazing. Look at that. And look at this side, y'all. Look at this. What else you need to say? And y'all, I am done. I am ready to go out into the world and look fabulous. It comes like this in a default C part, and if you want to do another parting, honey, where you want it? Where you want your part? Where you want your part at, honey? Okay, where you want your part? Where do you want your part? So you can do like a half up, half down type of style, and it is glueless at the top, as y'all can see. Now I did put glue on the sides, as y'all saw, but honey, look at that. Look at this, y'all. This invisible HD no lift frontal, the natural hairline is amazing. The lace is mimicking scalp, so it looks like this hair is coming right out of your head. And the anti-slip grip that's on the back of this, you ain't gotta worry about this hair going nowhere. So let me show you the back.
Know it's all love, know it's all love. I've been feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can.
This is a cute unit, I must say so myself. I'm not getting no tangles, absolutely no shedding at all. It's lightweight. It doesn't feel like a lot of hair on my head, and it is a versatile unit. You are able to style it in multiple ways. You could do a half up, half down because of all of the parting space. Like this parting, even though this part is right here, you still have a little bit more parting to go in the back. So y'all see that? You still got a little more parting left over. The deep parting space is absolutely amazing, which will give you multiple ways to wear this unit. Luv Me is here to please the everyday woman without jeopardizing quality. I can say that it is a keeper. To me, it feels like it would be a low maintenance type of unit because the lace lays very, very well. If you have a big head like me, you may have an issue around the ear area, but all you have to do is put a little lace spray down and you are good to go. Loose the rest of the lace. You don't have to glue the rest of the hairline down because it lays on your head so good. And the dome cap on this unit, it feels amazing on my head. It doesn't feel too tight or too loose. It feels amazing, and I feel confident that it's not going anywhere with the anti-grip on this thing. So before we get into the details of this, you know they sent your girl over some goodies. They sent over a Luv Me Hair baby hair brush comb combo, a Luv Me Hair scarf wrap, a Luv Me Hair bonnet, wig caps, and a Luv Me Hair drawstring bag to help store your unit in. So let me tell you some more about this unit. This is the 13x5. Y'all heard me right, not 4, 5 baby. 13x5, ready to go frontal wig. Okay, that is part of the Natural Max collection. I am wearing this in the Yaki Straight. It is ear to ear, and you do have the option to wear this glueless, but with the size of my head, I'm unable to do it 100% glueless. I did have to glue the sides around the ear as you seen earlier, but the rest of it is glueless. I am wearing this in the length 20 inches, and you do have the option to get it in other lengths as well. This unit also can come pre-cut at an additional cost. This unit comes to you in the default C part, so you get this beautiful C part parting. This unit is going to make you feel like you went to a professional, but you actually did it right at the house, with the scalp giving flawless and this hairline giving amazingness. You cannot go wrong with this unit. Like it's gonna make you feel like you went to a salon and spent a whole lot of money to get it look like this, but actually you just went to Luv Me Hair and got you some luxury hair. So let me tell you some more about this unit. This unit is 100% human hair. I am wearing this in the color Natural Flag, and the density on this unit is 150%. Like I said earlier, this comes in a default C part, where you do have the option to part it in numerous ways, such as the left, the right, straight down the middle, a deep side part, whatever your heart desires. This unit also comes with the hairline pre-bleached and pre-cut. The lace is an HD lace. Like, it looks amazing. It looks straight up like scalp. Okay, the cap size is 22.5 inches, which is like your standard medium cap. This unit also comes with 4 combs, one on each side, one in the middle, and one in the back. You will also get a detachable adjustable band, and this comes with a double anti-slip silicone base to help make sure that your unit stays secure and comfortable on your head as well. This unit is glueless depending on your head size, and this unit should last you 1 year or more depending on how you care for it, and you do have the option to dye this unit as well. So save your money, your edges, and your time with this unit right here. Look like you went to the salon without the salon price, because switching it up is everything with a Luv Me Hair unit. And there you have it. I would like to thank Luv Me Hair for sponsoring this video, and if you're interested in this unit, head on over into my description box below for all the details. And you know I got you, you know I do. There's a huge discount on this unit. Okay, you are going to get a whopping 32% off, so make sure you hurry up and go into my description box below for all the details. And if you have not already, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. If you are interested in seeing what else Luv Me Hair has to offer, make sure you check out that next video, and I'll see you over there.